Hello friends, today I am potting a new cactus I got about 3 or 4 days ago. I had already cleaned the roots and I was just letting it dry for a few days. It had a lot of dry soil and I had to break a lot of roots, so I thought it would be safer for me to just let it sit and dry out and rest before I repotted it. So, not really sure of the type of cactus this is. The pot I got it in only said cactus. It didn't have a name, but beautiful cactus. I like the growth. Nice spines, not too thorny. They're actually relatively soft. You have to be careful with this, otherwise you'll break too many spikes. So what I did is I chose this pot. It's a 4-inch terracotta pot that I had spray painted. I just misted it silver just to give it a little contrast. So we start off by putting a screen in here. And then I'm going to add my pebbles. For drainage. And we'll put about 1/3 of the way up. We'll put some cactus soil. It's a real gritty soil that I mix. So far my cactuses love it. Maybe we'll add just a little bit more. Yeah, that should be perfect. So because I had so much breakage in roots, I'm going to add a little rooting hormone on the bottom just to reduce the chance that the roots may rot. And then I also want to put some Osmocote. About 10 or 12 pellets should do it. This is a slow release. And I just drop them in there right underneath the roots. Like that. And then I generally flare out the roots so they're not all clumped up on the bottom. Just like that. Making sure I hold the cactus right centered. I generally fill it till, not completely all the way up, but just until the plant is stable. And then I check the height. I check the center. I like my cactus is centered. Give it a little tap. Work the soil all the way down. Maybe bring it up just a little. I prefer to keep it a little bit higher than lower, because once you start watering, all the soil settles and it drops anyway. So that should be about good height-wise there. Just work the soil all the way down. And then just continue filling. Just a little bit more soil. We're almost there. Just work it down a little bit more. And that should do it. I have to do some research when I get inside. I really want to know what type of plant this is. It's a shame that nurseries and big box stores don't take better interest in labeling the plants. So I'm gonna top dress it, and I'm gonna use this multicolor gravel that I have, like a whitish greenish color. And this will add a little contrast to this plant. Very simple. Cactuses are a very nice plant to own because the care on them is very minimal. As long as you don't overwater, the plants usually live for years. I have cactuses I've had for 5-6 years. Orchids are the same way. If you take care of them right, don't overwater, they generally last for up to 30 and 40 years, some orchids. My oldest orchid is about 11 years. So there you have it. Take a good look. Nice looking plant. So I hope this was interesting to you. I hope I was able to help if you're into repotting plants. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.